Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your image to overlap a shape, any kind of shape. Sit back and enjoy this wonderful tutorial. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please, I urge you to do so. If this is the kind of video you are interested in, share, like and comment on this video. Let's get into today's tutorial. First, I'm going to delete this. Delete it. I'm going to get my image. Go to this plus sign from gallery, from gallery. Let me just get a random image. I'm using this. Okay, let's increase it a bit. All right, now I'm going to change the background of my design to the same color of the dress on this image. So let's do that. First, let me just centralize the image. Okay, now I'm going to change the color. This is color. With the plus sign, go to this place, click on this rectangle, bring it here. This is the color I want. Okay, I just make it brighter a bit. Press OK. Using it. And now I'm going to centralize this image. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the cycle, come to this plus sign, shape, or change this shape to a cycle. Use it a bit, or just put it here. Change the shape to a cycle. Let's see if you just cover it a bit. Okay, I'm going to duplicate it, copy. I have two of it now. Let's centralize this. Okay, now I'm going to apply color. Make the color has blood or olive. Now press OK. I'm going to centralize this also and bring it down to cover the red cycle. Just make sure you try your best for the white cycle to be on top of the red. Okay, now in the first, going to go back to this place. I'm going to hide this, lock and hide this. Then I'll get another place. For this I will leave it at right angle. This it a bit. Now change the color to black. Press OK. And I'll go back to this place to change the position of the right angle shape. Put it in the middle. Let's adjust the right angle a bit. Yes, adjust it a bit. Okay. I'll go back here. I will merge the first cycle and the right angle. Merge it. Press OK. Then I will go to erase color. We'll erase the color, enable it to erase the color. Using it. Then I will change the black shape right now to the same color on the background, which is yellow. Press OK. And the next thing we're going to do is to go back to this place and unlock this and make it visible. Then we change the position of this image to the middle, and you merge all the items. You see it? It's done. This is how you make your image to overlap a shape. Very simple. If you find value on what we do here, please enable to share, like, and drop your comment on the comment section, and also support us by subscribing to this channel. See you in our next tutorial. Stay blessed.